Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making an ambrosia salad Gio's way. What you will need is 2 cups of Cool Whip, 2 cans of the fruit cocktails that comes in a can drain, half a cup of chopped pecans, which these are whole but I'm gonna chop, half cup of marshmallows, half cup of sweetened coconut flakes, and half cup of sour cream. Okay, let's begin. In a large bowl, we're gonna mix our Cool Whip with the fruit. Get it all in there. Make sure everything's thawed out. Now we're gonna add our fruit. We're gonna add little by little. Mix it. Now this is an easy recipe, so anyone can do this. These are for the ones that have that sweet tooth and they want something quick. I usually do this for my husband every time he's the one that asks for it. When he wants something sweet, this is what I make him. It's one of his favorites. And we usually do this around the holidays, but I do it most of the time for him. Now once that all mixed up, we're gonna add our sour cream. Now the sour cream is gonna balance that sweetness, so it won't be too sweet. It tastes just right. Now we're gonna add the coconut flakes. And it's an easy salad. It's so simple. You could do it anytime. Alright, let's add the rest of the coconut. Okay, so now I'm gonna chop up my pecans. Now, I already had this ones here, so I'm just gonna chop them up, but they do sell them chopped up. And if you're allergic to any of the ingredients, you could skip them out. I'm not gonna chop them up too much because I still want to bite into the pecans. Alright, let's add those to the bowl. Now you could add as much as you like of anything. It's all to your taste. And if you're doing it for a big crowd, you could always add double the ingredients. Now I'm gonna add my marshmallows. Half. The rest of the marshmallows into it. And once everything's mixed, I'm gonna cover it up and I'm gonna let it rest in the refrigerator for 20 minutes before I serve it up. Okay, so it's been past 20 minutes. Now we're gonna take it out. I'm gonna serve it. Put some coconut on top, decoration. Some mint from my garden outside, and a pecan so they can know it has pecans in it. And that's my ambrosia salad, Gio's way. I hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know when you do it how it turns out, and I'll see you next time.